Hi, my name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. Thank you for taking the time to watch one of my short videos. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of my frequently asked questions, and that is, what is a party wall surveyor? Well, hopefully by the end of this video you will know. So a party wall surveyor is a qualified person that comes out and checks your neighbour's property and your property before any construction work takes place. So they would arrive on site and they will take photographs of your property, take measurements, note down defects of your property, and also go to the neighbour's property and take down notes of any defects that they find, make notes, take photographs, and basically compile loads of information just in case anything was to go wrong during the construction phase or a few years after the construction's finished, that they got some evidence and information that they can go back to just to sort of clarify and clear up any discrepancies that may arise. Thanks very much for watching my videos. My name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe below. Or if you need any help or support, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Good luck.